So guys, here we are by the beachside. I'm going to be making porridge for my people here, and I can't wait to take you along. So please subscribe to my channel as well, D Mwango, and also support Kino Life in Jamaica.
Well. As you can see, we're down by the beachside. Outside.
Right on the beach. Boatline with the boatline, you know the thing come down. One color Smith. Yeah. And all of my team there today, but definitely we're still representing Kino Life in Jamaica and D Mwango all the way from Kenya. Yeah, so we're catching the fire. The place is wet, but rain or shine, we gotta cook.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. I keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them are clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me, try so hard then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink savor. Every day them.
Well. Oops, good morning. Blessed love to all. I hope you're enjoying yourself. I hope you're having a lovely day. So, this is it in the morning, as you can see. These are some sour orange. This is what D like. Them sour thing here. Also, you have sour orange up on the ground. So this is the Portland life. In Portland where the boat land, that one I drop off the tree. So I guess let's have something on the side. But this is ready. I'm not worried about sour. So yes, so yeah, this one drop off. But as you can see, the place is so wet. We've been getting a lot of rain. There's so much rain we've been getting. There's so much rain. And guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you've been enjoying all the content that we've been giving, you know. And now I'm telling you, I'm loving Portland. I love the vibes in Portland. I like the energy, you know. Waking up in the wilderness here in Portland, what them say where the boat land, you know. So I still never bring the country shoes, you know, people. You have to see with me, you know. I still never bring the country shoes, you know. And let me show you something. Look, now tell me how much I want to remember this. Cause we used to call it some people call it drunker body, some call it drunker high, bird high. Remember this stuff here? But finally, this right here. This with all these things here. Some people call them drunker, but some call them bird eye. See them? Hey, mosquito. We want to call this. Remember some of this from in the younger days when we used to see them all about in the place. Remember? But it look like it have an eye on it. I don't remember the name of it. I don't remember the name of it. So yes man, so we're here in Portland. As you can see, so much. There's breadfruit tree, but the young breadfruit's there. Young breadfruit. And over here. So this is my stroll in the morning in Portland. In Portland. It's very lovely here. Countryside thing, you know. I definitely would need to go visit Westmoreland. So if you're watching and you're from Westmoreland, hey, we're gonna come in there very soon. Westmoreland, and that's the famous tree house where the colors them always are cooking. Hello, that's the famous tree house. So guys, this is the famous tree house. Let me show you the famous.
Welcome to Portland, guys. I'm loving it. So let's go to the kitchen. Quickly, wanna make the porridge.
Show the fit.
Because of time, I'm gonna be blending.
Hey.
So come along.
Bless it. The famous tree house. The famous tree house. So up here we have Colors and D. Planning to boil some porridge this morning. This morning.
Oh yes. Bring a phone come. I'll let you upload the video.
So we have Color Smith here. You know, things are in
That
Portland.
is it, we're outside, you know, out here without fear. Big up Kino Life in Jamaica. Big up D Mwango. That is it. Yeah, man, Miss Slicklad Kitchen, you don't know my whole team. Yeah? So, guys, just check out the full, just check out everybody.
Yeah. Can you
show
link
some love.
would always be in the description. You know,
That
we have
is
Color
it.
Smith. I would thank him so much for inviting us down here.
We're loving
D, I
it.
love your dress right now.
I'm a Rasta
Yes,
girl.
yesterday she represented for Jamaica, now today
Yeah,
she
she
represents for the
Rasta
Rasta.
girl.
Yeah.
A Bobo Ilwega Center, you know? Right up there.
Love it.
Don't give the shoulder bounce. So yeah man, so
Yeah,
people
man,
if you
that
haven't
is it.
subscribed to Color Smith, please go and do so.
And also
You know.
subscribe to Kino Life in Jamaica. Road to 50k subscribers. So support a brother. We out here, all of us. We wanna win. We also have Papi.
Papi,
Just do it.
yeah, Papi
That
spear
is it.
fishing in the building. So you know, so when them man catch and cook
Climber.
underwater.
I'm adventure. Anyone can check out my YouTube channel, people, and show me
He's the
some
tree
love.
climber.
Yeah.
I once met you when you came over to Kingston.
Yeah.
You the one.
Okay, yeah, on the
Big up,
live.
Big up. Nice to meet you again.
Climber.
Yes.
So him would need to climb the jelly
he's
tree.
the climber,
The
you know?
jelly.
Yeah, he
Oh,
climb
we
all
have
the
to go and
trees.
get the jelly.
Yes, climber.
You have no luck.
We have some marble here, look, right?
Alright.
We have some marble. So the big in there.
Right? Oh, wow.
So the big in there for the marble. Eh?
Alright. Guys, welcome to
Them in a fire, them. And them we use, you know. A Kingston, you know.
Marble?
Yeah.
Stone nail shoot there, man.
Oh, them I put down them on the marble them. And fire them. Climber. Well, we want to see how good it is, you know, because what the Papi spear fishing are do it, you know, and Colors, you know.
Boy, can't say something.
Yeah?
Boy, have the
Mood of mine could have got, you know.
Right now.
Just chill out, have a video.
Any tune come, me can't go on.
Alright.
Alright, so why name Climber? Why not call him Climber?
How you get that name?
How you get the name the Climber?
Young climb.
You know, say, I first time or second time we did one YouTube channel, just link up with him and start to work with him. I'm going to climb one coconut tree, I'm just get the name off and some.
Climber.
Work with it, work with
Alright.
the flow.
So that is the reason why the man get that Papi. So Papi get the spear fishing because of what?
Diving.
The diving.
That is it.
So we have one climber and one diver.
That is it.
So we need to see that.
Jack of all trade.
True. Well, him climb the trees to them and all, you know.
And cut in. I never climb one tree and get one cut yet.
No man.
Me never climb tree and get cut yet.
I tired them same tired.
Tired.
Yeah.
Must not tie tree too fast.
Me no climb, me I dive, and if me go see me have to shoot fish, you know must shoot. I idiot.
Alright. So see you know. So we have dry land and underwater thing right there. So no. So climber you respond to the dry land.
Yeah.
Yeah. And Papi responds to under the water. We have whole park here so you know what go on. They no good?
Boy, if you pick them.
They might have that tree.
I never talk here for it.
The climber you can't climb that?
Eh?
You can't climb that?
That be everything.
I didn't see that we climb because you have something they can hold on for.
Can't make them aki away you know. Whole park that you know.
No, I never talk here for the tree, so I don't know it is.
Can't make them aki away man.
Back tree around there, so.
Yeah.
Like most sweet.
You can cook some season rice man. Come on man, I made the aki them ways. You know cook season rice.
Yeah.
Papi you eat them thing there.
Me?
Yeah.
Everything.
Yeah, this tree if you climb that's why the tree around there, so. I just tree fat.
You can't make them aki away so you kind of bad now go pick them. And some season rice if you are beat you know.
No coconut juice and some salt.
Don't it?
You know it's salt.
No, we have used the salt mackerel.
So why difference? Why make you eat saltfish?
Oh man, saltfish I think was scare me for me a local youth, you know. And everybody used to worry about the saltfish head and what it look like. Them say it look like man, it look like this, it look like that. I'm used to research, I'm used to some ugly head. And then so why them sell the fish without the head? Maybe if it have the head I would have a problem. You know, but them sell it without the head because them say if you see it,
Yeah,
you're not gonna eat it. So from them say that, me rather not eat it.
Socks in the same bread, nobody.
Yeah, so that's why I'm not eat it, people. Yeah, so I have nothing against the saltfish because it not no head. You see me? So imagine you buy something in a pussy in a bag, you buy something in a bag and you don't know what's inside it. Just like the fish. You see me? I say it not no head, so it come like a pussy in a bag. I want to see what the head look like so I can know what I eat. Because you're not headless, him not headless. I don't see no dog and a chicken and a fowl with headless. You see me I say, so why the fish have headless? Yeah, years it there and it headless. And them still not want to show you. No matter how much you buy it. Exactly, them not sell it with the head. Why? Something wrong, man. I want to see it with the head properly. I know it's alright then I eat the saltfish. But until then, I go and hold it out. Right there, so I remember enough people. The link would be in the description for Poppy Spear Fishing, you know.
That is it.
So you get all the diving adventure, you know, trust me, if you want to learn to swim, if you want to learn to dive or to catch fish, see him there, you can link him. The link will be in the description. That is it.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Okay, guys.
So today we have D gonna do what?
Cook.
Cook. Hey, me like that. Hey, look at the Kenyan there. Carrying the pot on her head. Ay. Hey.
Alright. So guys.
Yeah.
So guys, here we are by the beach side. I'm going to be making porridge for my people here. And I can't wait to take you along. So please subscribe to my channel as well, D Mwango, and also support Kino Life in Jamaica.
Yeah. Well. As you can see, we down by the beach side. Outside.
Right on the beach. Boatline where the boatline, you know the thing come down. One color Smith. Yeah. And all of my team there today, but definitely we're still representing Kino Life in Jamaica. And D Mwango all the way from Kenya.
Yes, we're here creating collaborations, videos for you guys. Hopefully you're loving them, so please support all of us. You know, and
subscribe.
Yes.
So right now the boat are land, we don't mean the ship. You know, we mean the pot. You know, it just touched down. So you know, so this is the main thing today. D, tell them what you're doing today.
I'll be cooking peanut porridge for my family here in Jamaica.
Hey.
You know?
The notice Color has been resting from cooking from D touchdown.
Yeah, D is the chef, you know, D is
I'm the chef now.
Yeah.
And I'm loving the fact that they're teaching me. I'm also getting to learn. So it's such an amazing experience. I want when I go back in Kenya, I can cook different varieties of Jamaican food to my family. That's the aim. Maybe I want to have a Jamaican restaurant in Kenya.
Alright, so today we're cooking on the beach. So this is it. This is what we're doing today. We're boiling porridge here. So here, you know, so the last time she boiled porridge, she never have the vanilla. Now we have the vanilla. And we have the colors. What's this?
Any other half?
Almond.
Okay. So we have the almond here, the almond milk. We have the vanilla. We have the cornmeal. And we have the Jamaican Lasco. And then we have the Betty. You know Betty already, or Betty to go. And we have the pot. So here we are. And we have the coke, and we have the peanut blend out already with coconut milk. So you know how it goes. And we have the guys that know. We have Poppy Spear Fishing and Mr. Kunte. So we have Poppy and Kunte now over the bush. A chop wood. You know, so we're gonna take you over there. So as you can see, what's that beach name? Windsor Beach. So this is not a popular beach where people come?
People come, but just like who in our surrounding.
Windsor Beach. So when you hear about Windsor, we're not talking about Windsor Castle with the UK, we're talking about Windsor in Jamaica. So we have Papi and we have Kunte chopping some wood. Yeah guys, so I hope you like the content that we bring in, you know. Remember please guys to like before watching, put the thumbs up, you know, whenever you're watching, please put the thumbs up, you know. So I'm gonna say we're here on some adventure, you know, adding something different to what we're doing. So I have to big up the dream team every time, you know. I'm gonna say Natural is a man where he's doing some work and I'm kind of busy, so while he's busy I got some free time, I can run around, you know, add little things, add something to my spice to my life what I can do and enjoy, you know. So Papi them over here trying to get some woods to create the wood fire and everything. So the man them there in the bush. So we by the Windsor beach. You can see the rainbow over there. Look at the rainbow. If anyone can make out the rainbow, I can. So let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Chopping woods in the bush. Chopping woods. Allah, a mosquito land this. Yo! A mosquito land this, man.
What's no bite in rain and fall?
Where say what's not bite in rain and fall? Papi, I will tell you that, Papi.
Right, you can't find all the washes and the swing. No bite. Just try and go tell me.
When you say people hear that Papi say what's not bite when rain and fall.
And here we me different.
You different, man. You have a repellent for was. So was stay far from you. Right, Kunte? Don't it? You have a was repellent. But me and go at Kunte, you know, say for days we getting bite.
One time was my bite, guys.
One time?
One time.
Because the man avoid it. Can't give too much up.
Yeah, we'll get a couple more bites.
One too much up. No, sir, they must get them body in so oh. They must get them terribly in so. Still want two more. Still want two more, Papi. Couldn't put in two in it. In it, that is it. Remember say no liquor at kitchen son this, you know.
Nobody there broke it for a long time.
No man, this is liquor at kitchen son. So you know so them man eat all of the good stuff them. So what you expect, Papi?
Yeah, man, me look weak, brother.
The swimmer run alone where you catch cannot work. You need them bulk of porridge, them plant and porridge, you know, them beef. Them, I want to them, Kunte. Oh, that's why I tell you, say, you have to check out liquor at kitchen. Because you see where your son do, strong food. So if you feel like you're too weak, just check out liquor at kitchen. You know? And that is how I'm doing it. So we're in the wilderness getting some wood. You know? Yeah. Getting some wood to catch a fire. So this is a nice piece I can bring as well too. Yeah, so nice piece here to catch a fire. Even though it's been raining, so the wood them kind of wet. But them man say them skill them way there. So once you chop inside it, you know, inside is not that wet, so they must chip it off. Yeah, who know what is this? Who know what is this? See there, noni. If I'm wrong, tell me say I'm wrong. This is the noni. So this is a noni tree. Where rain a come down, you see. This is the struggle we have faced from there. Keep raining and stop. Keep rain and stop, rain and stop. So this is the struggle from there The rain, so.
Kunte.
Let me bring.
Hey, Kunte man, what that Kunte? Kunte, how you come there using last? You need to learn from D. Hey. That one a big D, that one too strong for you. That one too strong. They say that who did?
Broke, you know.
Broke. Yeah, man, she broke you, man. What the real village girl? You think she's an uptown girl?
No, because this is how I've grown. Like at home when nobody's there, I still have to cook. So
Of course.
being not having a man in the family doesn't mean you stop. You have to get used to it.
I should have been see you traveling the world and feel like say you don't use this type of life.
Honestly, for me, I'm so proud of myself. Like honestly, like I just love who I am. The fact that I know I can survive anywhere, like I'm never worried about life, you know. As much as I'm traveling the world, still I can do so much.
So you that Rasta, they don't want a real empress from Africa.
Huh?
All these that she wants are Rasta in her heart, right?
Yeah.
From Bobo Hill.
But we need to have an axe.
You don't need
Yeah?
you don't need an axe, you're doing fine. You're doing fine. No axe needed. Teach them. The rain's coming down.
How to do this.
Rain. The rain on your phone. Come D. The rain on the phone. The rain on the phone,
I'm
D.
not leaving the firewood. You guys are running.
Yeah. Take it and run, D. Take it and run. It's raining again. Run. Run, D. Run. You know, see the rain a come. Come on, chop some more. To chop.
So hard.
Yeah. Go back in there and look at this. Yeah, right in there.
Yeah.
Get some more. I want more. No, D.
It's still too hard.
Yeah.
But it's dry.
Chop the same spot. Still want more.
Still running.
Tired?
No. I hope it's clear. If not, put on the flash.
Yeah.
Yeah. You have to be strong. So guys, where I grew from, we could always go and collect food from the forest. It's a girl thing. So when you see me doing this, I'm not learning anything. This is how I've grown and I'm just living my life, you know.
Go around this one. You have more around this one.
Where? This one is also dry.
That one.
So time to make fire and cook the porridge. So this is where we're going to cook from, but the sun is the rain is gone.
We can go back down to the sea.
Yeah, let's go down by the sea. Let's go. Yeah, so guys, please remember to check out Kunte. The name of the YouTube channel is Miss Little
At kitchen.
Hot Kitchen, Mother and Son. So check him out as well.
What's the pot cover? The pot cover?
The pot cover is going to fall. Yes, that is it.
Vanilla and the spoon jar.
Alright, guys, here we are. Gonna light fire now, huh? Because the ground is too hot, what if you put this on the ground? What if you So guys, we want to light up the fire and cook before it gets too dark.
Let me check. Hey.
Soft water is important too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Everyone of them are hot.
So yes. Color is preparing the fire.
Yeah, it's because the stick kind of damp. So when you split it, when you split them, you get the dry part on the inside.
That's where it's easy to catch.
Yeah.
These ones are dry. So
Yeah, so meanwhile, the man, Colors is catching the fire, you know, because the man especially spend that one here when it come on the wet wood. I'm here by this wonderful, wonderful Mother Nature. I'm here by the beach side, you know, Windsor Beach, as you can see. Wonderful, you know. So remember guys, if you're watching, please put the thumbs up. Don't forget, if you haven't subscribed, please go and subscribe. And check out Color Smith and Dean Wonder. The channel name will have a link, it will be in the description. You know, and look at this beauty. Imagine boiling porridge, chilling on the beach, relaxing. Right, Rochelle having a cup of tea. We're not having no tea, we're having peanut porridge. Peanut porridge. Wonderful, yeah, wonderful, 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 oh wonderful. Are you enjoying the Portland vlogs? You know, it's one a nice Portland beach, Windsor Beach. I don't know if you've been here, let me know in the comment section. This is Windsor Beach here in Portland. You know, and we have Colors and the team over there catching the fire, you know, getting prepared before the place get dark for the porridge. So you know how it goes already, because we're running out of time. As you can see, the sun is beginning to set. So the sun is going to start to set right now. I have Kunte, the sort of the coconut. Yeah, go ahead.
try to catch the fire because it's kind of cold. You give me like that.
Rolling, please.
Good tires.
Rolling.
Run the camera.
Rolling. So Kunta the man who are going to start off with the grater in coconut.
Big man.
Well, the place smell like vanilla already. And Halman. D? Big Chef D?
Yes, guys, we're making porridge here.
Turning to D into a big chef, boy. Hey, big chef, hey. This is the mango. Rolling.
So guys, right now I want to learn how
Don't even want to waste the water, you know.
when I
I'm gonna waste water at all.
Yeah.
one of the main parts. So today Sophia is going to teach you how they
That
cook
is
in
it.
Jamaica. It's called always ready. So this is, could you crush the other one please? So that's my okay, here we go. Oh, we also have the water. Woo! Coconut sauce. You can drink this.
Yeah,
Right?
yeah.
Have to
The last fire on it. Cold weather. Rainy.
See? Give me that piece where there's that Kunta.
Don't know how we are ready.
so good. I love it.
Very nice.
So now this is the coconut. We're going to clean it.
Demon
To
over there
use
with
the
the
milk for
coconut.
porridge, you know? Yeah. I'm so excited to learn this. You have to take it out from the shell. Let me. I eat it. So good.
Yeah, so we're catching the fire. The place is wet, but rain or shine, we gotta cook. You know? So big up.
Let me remove this now. No, it's dangerous.
Hey,
Please show her, please.
Oh, short. He makes it look easy, but it's a lot of strength.
Yeah. Don't want to
That's
cut
why I
yourself.
always say you can't do without men inside. There's some things a man has to help you out. Alright.
Eat up the coconut, dude. Yes, it's getting there. It's getting there.
It kind of stubborn, but we, you know, keep on and feed it, you know, because I want food, you know. Yeah.
Eat the nutrients.
Just like we, you know, if we don't eat, we get weak.
Weak. So the fire needs food,
Yeah,
needs nutrients. You have to keep filled with all the papers, all the necessary things that are made for catch.
Yeah.
It look like it's getting there. What's the fire underneath there? So whenever you see smoke, there is fire.
That is it.
So we see smoke, so there is fire.
Right there.
wash out the coconut.
What of this?
Yeah, but whenever them say it's smoke, you know you see fire. Right, so with colors catching the fire, you know say it's a must. You're not gonna miss. You don't just eat a coconut, yo. So if you see coconut on my mouth, that means you have just 2 pieces of coconut. You know? Wonderful. All I can hear in the background is the water. beautiful sound like a nature vibe. You know? Come on. Who no like countryside? Who no like the beach? Winter beach. Even though we're the only one on the beach. So right now today we rent out the beach for ourselves. So we rent out the beach for ourselves today.
But the water's so dry, so let's gonna have fun. Alright guys, so back
Yeah man,
here.
so this look like people not really to visit this beach, and then again there's so much beach and rivers and thing in Portland, you know, so really that take the whole Portland to come out, even though this probably is not the popular beach, but there's a beach here, you know, and they have a little settings over there for the kitchen and thing, you know, a big almond tree there. So I'm just walking over to get something from the vehicle, you know. It goes, it's getting dark as well too, because you know, say the rain kind of hold us up back. Yeah, the rain kind of hold us back because here why we don't want to come out from earlier. I could come out early because of the rain. So when we do get a time, we see a little sun, you know, we come out, but still having problems seeing the rain just come down as I can see. But you know what, the show have to go on. So people, some user man like carry the munchies, you know, some carry the munchies with me. Carrying the munchies with me right now. So we're gonna munch right now on the beach. As you can see, we are at Windsor Beach. Windsor Beach, where we have a jelly tree here, but spare young ones there on it. Giving a tour of the beach, as you can see. That's the entry point from there. I'm saying nobody not down here. So it don't look like people really frequently visit down here. As you can see the setting of it, so it's a good spot if you want to come and chill out, you know, private. You have a little cook spot here, so when you can come and cook and hold your own vibes, right? So that is how it is right now in Windsor Beach. You know, as you can see, it's very quiet. All you can hear is the beach, the water noise, you know, coming on to shore. But otherwise, a great vibes, you know, love the experience. So we give thanks to Colors and his team for having us down here in Portland, you know. So boy, come like so that boat here will land with me down here. I don't want to leave anytime soon. Sorry, our mascot may try kid. So the mascot is here already out on a boat, you know. Hey, Maya greater your hand. Maya greater your hand.
No, I can't scrape my hand.
You're gonna.
It's not sharp. It's sharp, I know.
Probably
Well, manager.
Punte on a big mill.
Oh, what is it called meal? Oh,
Be enjoying a piece of coconut.
They're going to use the same box. In Kenya, you know, like all the tribes that you have, they do things different. So the tribe that have
That is it.
but still it's
big meal.
I'm not play man.
So now, guys, come closer. So As you all see, inside. Right? You squeeze it with hands, right? Yeah. The same way you do here?
Right.
Oh, okay.
Don't throw the chop, just put it in there.
Yeah. You have to squeeze.
You see, they are squeeze. These over there making the coconut, you know the thing though. These making a coconut, squeezing on the juice. So you can see she's not the average Kenyan empress, you know. She know her thing. So don't make she trick. She not gonna trick with anymore. Because I can say she never grew up easy. She have the life, but she's been doing stuff, you know. She might surprise a lot of you know, but trust me, she not surprise me anymore because she's not one of them lazy types. She's willing to try anything, you know, as you can see. She's willing to try anything at all. You know, as you can see her over my shoulder, I squeeze the coconut. She's a great at the coconut and I tell her, so she's something else, you know. So that is it. So guys, so tell me what you think. It's getting dark. It is still here on the beach, boiling peanut porridge, same way on the beach. So look at it. Yeah. The crew over here, they are going to prepare. So you don't know what it goes already. Now make sure you go and do a thing till you start see when the porridge start boiling, and see if you can smell it. You know, because look at that, look. You know? Yeah, squeeze it together.
So you want some more milk, so you gotta juice it again.
Yeah. So I add water here. Please.
Yeah, press it then. Press it.
1 hour of the video.
Yeah.
So that is the first milk. That's the top cream.
That is it.
Then you put the last here.
Normally at Jamaica we give this to the fowl.
Yeah.
Feed the fowl them with that, you know. When the fowl say that come, them smile. I feed them big meal at coconut trap. A piece of coconut that whole on the gonna miss. Never miss. Yeah, never miss. Just fine piece. So I'm never eat it for me and Uno. Right? Me and Uno go eat this. When last we eat piece of coconut. Eh? You know, all the time I use the thin coconut or the powder coconut. When last I eat piece of coconut.
The coconut milk is going to be our water.
Right. The natural milk itself. Somehow, no. When watching, when I might use the coconut powder. I'm not saying I don't use it too. You know, the coconut milk in the can. So I choose the overseas, you know they get the natural coconut. But here, I may not eat that one here. Whoa.
That is it, D.
So
Let it boil.
Yeah. So D, meanwhile that is boiling, you're gonna soak your cornmeal.
The next thing is to soak my cornmeal.
Let's use a little bit of water.
Well. Don't eat the coconut. And it's in a trash. Boy, I'm doing the coconut. I open to enjoy it. But look. As you can see, the sun just left us. So you know, once the sun left us, there's nothing left back more than a little sun glaze. So see, I have a couple that walk on the beach. You know, I have a couple that walk on the beach. I have a couple that walk on the beach, so you know I can go head into that way. So people can walk from here all the way there. So I go on the water, is getting closer. The water is getting closer. Look. The water is coming more closer, you can see. So you're adding the peanut into the cornmeal, right?
Yes, adding peanut into the cornmeal. I'm gonna rinse this off. Let's mix from here. So you mix. So guys, this is my peanut and my cornmeal all together.
So remember, guys, you blend the peanut different, soak the cornmeal, and you know then so you add it into the boiling coconut milk over there. Lord,
there we go. I don't know why the smoke always goes where people are.
Yeah, don't put it in here. Wait till the water boil. Yeah,
I'm just running away from the smoke.
Oh.
Again, it will start back.
we have socks rolling in.
Why is it so?
You never make the summer colors if you usually lift up the pot. Pot cover.
It's not boiling as yet, so we can't put in anything yet.
Alright, so this is the coconut milk in the pot, getting ready to boil. So the fire has been here a long time, so you know when it starts boil, add the peanut, porridge. Blow.
Yeah, you see now it's lighting.
Yeah. Let's go and roast that. Let's go and roast. The cheese, no cuttings. Let's see. Pause it. Biker boys them. Fire catch now, D?
Right.
Yeah.
It's a beautiful day. As you can see, it's getting dark. We can work with little sunlight we have, but it's getting darker than dark. That time after evening, you know, I must say the sunlight left us. So just work with a little light we left, little lighting we left, and see how far it can take us. But you know, anyway you take it, when I leave here till when time the porridge done and ready. So it could have dark like midnight Me and Uno viewers when I leave the beach. I could have every night beach. I leave the beach. You understand? Man, when I leave the beach, we're there upon the beach. You know, man? The boat have to land upon the beach. That's where the boat have to land upon the beach. Can't leave the beach. The boat have to land on the beach. It's a boy there?
Like Kino, like there's a day I was telling Kino for us to get the lamp. You know the lamp that has the glass? You put in kerosene?
Oh, yeah.
It's really nice and so beautiful when you're making out the, like right now it could be lit.
Yeah.
Then here it could add some good beauty to the video.
That's alright, man. It's alright, man.
Yeah, let me make it chocolate.
Guys, I'm telling you, so the light I leave we. But we not leave it. We not leave the beach till the boat land. The boat not there far. It's so dark, it's so land. You check if it's boiling now, D?
Not yet.
Blaze fire, blaze. More fire.
Imagine you and your wife living this life every single day, the best. With your kids in the jungle.
In the jungle, no, living in the wilderness. Yeah. I go find you a Rasta. Not about no imposter. A Rasta when I eat pasta. I go find one of that, right? What type of Rasta you want? A vegetarian one?
The Rasta.
The Rasta. Bobo Il Rasta?
Yeah.
When I eat no meat at all, no salt. Not even a porridge I made a drink. You know that?
Yeah.
The real Rasta now go drink the porridge we have make female. I'm going to say it have in the milk and the last.
Okay.
Blaze in the fire. So right now we have lose the light, so we have to draw for the bike light. After draw for the bike light, come out late because they must say the rain kind of a trouble from left to right.
You know, also the blowing of the fire is an exercise for your lungs.
Yeah. Build up your
Fellas, you know that?
No, that's the first time knowing that.
No, it's a real exercise for the lungs.
Okay.
Yeah.
You taught me something just now.
There's so much we can learn from the village lady, right?
Yeah.
Empress from Kenya. There's so much you can teach us, and there's so much we can. So we are exchange culture in learning. So imagine you go to Kenya, we start teaching them some things, colors, and you start to cook over there.
Well, that's the best thing, you know. We learn from each other, you know.
Yeah.
Imagine you go over and do all the coconut dumpling.
Yeah. It's always nice to learn from
Different culture.
other cultures and different nations.
It is the way of life, you understand? Cause we never stop seek knowledge, you know.
Almost there.
She's
Hot, it's hot.
Yeah. But yesterday you taught me something new, a hook.
Yeah. And lift it.
Yeah.
So this is a night beach, night live, cooking, boiling porridge with D tonight. I'm telling you, so when I leave the beach till the boat land, and the boat is not ready for land yet, but when I leave, could have midnight tonight we're there up on the beach. See you now, are you that day?
Ready.
More fire. Put in some more stick, make
Yeah,
it
because
blaze.
we make sure the fire is blazing
Put in more stick. Some more.
so that it boils fast.
Hurry. Go,
Give me.
go.
Wait,
Papi. Papi. Come in. You happy?
just press the
Oh, your video and pause.
Yeah.
Let some of the juice boil out.
We don't want too much of it too thin.
Let me see. Lift it again.
Okay, so guys, wanna check if our coconut water is ready. So there we go. Boiling.
Let some of it boil. Let it boil out. Yeah. Soon put in just a little.
Papi.
Truck back out here, then you can catch up here. Yeah?
So we have more light.
Turn on back the light. Yeah, turn down your lamp down. Yeah. Come back and race with something. Yeah, that
So we get some more light. As I say, when I leave the beach tonight. When I leave the beach till the Porridge land. When that boat here land there, we know so add more caramel to it now.
So that it's thick.
Get it a little thicker.
So this is going to be our dinner today. After this, no more food. Just go straight to your bed.
Yes.
Yeah,
Straight to your bed. Alright, so it's nice and thick now. So we can put it in another 30 seconds. Who's counting?
Hey. Well, the viewers them start count already.
Yeah, are you ready? Because I'm handing over to you.
Yeah. So now we're gonna add it here.
So do it.
Okay. Boil.
So you gotta pour and I gotta stir because when you don't stir, you get low.
Yeah, that's
and we don't want the low.
Okay, let me help me get a thumbnail and a video at the same time. You know how it is? Yeah, you can just press.
Yeah?
Let's
Then I have a
I want
pause
us
it.
to get a thumbnail. This will be my thumbnail for the video. Me and you on the video. What is it? Don't tell me I'm recording you this time, right? Let me
Just
know.
press this.
Yeah. Okay.
I want the fire to blaze. Looks beautiful.
Yeah.
How does it look?
Look. Orious.
You get
Come on, over there.
No, Pam, I already made it. Don't tell me.
Now see one picture.
Thumbnail, the same thing I'm gonna show you. Don't, you don't have to stop
You
it.
show him, he'll click and record
Yeah,
it.
you can record it same way. Where you can take while it's recording.
Okay,
Make
here's
it
our
record.
thumbnail.
keep it. So this way, when you do this, you get rid of the lumps. No lumps in your pot. Yeah.
There we go.
So this is a whole lot deep. This can feed a village.
Yeah. I need to rinse this, nothing to waste. Just a little bit.
Just scrape, just scrape.
Oh, okay.
Because we don't want to add any more liquid. Don't add too much liquid. So once it's boil up, it's gonna get thick.
You don't keep stirring.
I'm gonna leave it to get thick though.
Cover it now.
Yeah.
So now we cover the porridge. Now we need to give it time to boil.
If it's taking too long to get thick, we can add a little bit more.
Oh, okay.
Yes, I'm just gonna watch it. So I'm gonna put a little bit to soak in the meantime. Just a little. Usually doesn't really matter if the fire is too.
This is the night cooking on the beach. Tell us a night I got catch up on the beach. I'm gonna tell you when I leave the beach to the pot land. I'm telling you when I leave the beach to the boat land. Right now we keep rolling. The pot over there is rolling with D. One in the kitchen. And Color Smith TV making it work.
The beach side.
And when I leave the beach, tell you when I leave the beach, I'm gonna go and hear some nice beach noise. Listen to the nature. Tropical. Oh, to leave the beach. On the beach. Today the night up on the beach when I leave the beach. I'll leave the beach to the beach, to the beach, to the beach. Can't leave till the Portland. Now leave till the boat land in a Portland. You know, that's when the pot land. That's when we leave the beach, when the pot land. Hopefully leave when the pot land.
Just give it some time now. Yeah. So you
Now I wish we had corn. We could just be putting by the side roasting.
What, a roast corn?
can get some of the water to make up some cookies, some of the ways to break it.
Yeah, so we can put in some more fine piece where you can blaze. Right, guys.
Let's check our porridge. It's boiling.
To one story.
So thick.
Where's the spoon? Get the spoon. Get the spoon.
Wow, so thick.
Cheek. So we put in too much fire.
This is almost becoming
Colors.
ugali, guys. It's so thick.
I'll take out back some of the fire.
So
It's so thick, colors.
we're gonna have to pull some of the firewood.
So that it doesn't burn.
Just, yeah, you don't want this high fire underneath it. So this is like rice, you know?
Yeah, it's like
Delicate,
rice.
like rice. When you're cooking rice, you can't use too much fire.
Yeah.
Because right now it's just for the steam. If anything, we're gonna have to let me feel it.
So thick.
Yeah, it's thick. Yeah, we'll just let it cook a little first, and then we can tip a little water to thin it down a little bit.
Alright.
Right, D, now you're gonna get your vanilla in.
Throw it, then I'll mix.
Yes.
Now I'm adapting the Jamaican way of talking. Throw. Oops.
Mix, D, mix. So D, guess what?
Uh-huh.
Usually we have a nutmeg, but we don't have that today. But it's still gonna be amazing.
Okay.
This one you don't use too much. This is the yellow almond.
Yellow almond.
Right. So this one.
Just a little bit.
Yes. And now you can taste it. Let's see if it's sweet.
This is my dinner today.
Ensure that it's not too hot for your hand, because you put it in your hand and you taste it.
I can just put this in my mouth.
Oh, your mouth will be under fire, D. Let me do it for you. I'm going to cool it for you. So usually, you just, cool it a bit. Right, ready? Give me a hand. I'm going to be too hot. Let me test it out. Yeah, it's good. Same time.
Wow.
How is it?
So good. Wow. So tasty, sugarless. That's what I love more about today's porridge. No added sugar.
No added sugar.
So woo!
That is
Time
it.
to take it from fire and let the party begin.
Yeah, we're going to eat some fire. This is dinner!
Yes.
Savor.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Normally good man a stone. Good. Savor.
Serving time. That's it. So what are we going to use to get him from in?
To use,
One of the cups?
yeah.
Okay.
so good.
That is so good.
So good.
Yay, there we go.
And the thickness is perfect.
Yeah.
It's not too thin and it's not too thick. It's perfect.
Okay guys, come in, let's enjoy. Let's cheers.
Let's cheers. Come on, D.
Come on.
Cheers.
Where are the rest? Come, socks.
Cheers to the
Come,
newest chef.
Kunte, come.
All the way from Kenya.
Come. Where is the socks?
Socks out.
Okay guys, come in. Cheers.
Socks will come anyway.
Socks. Okay, alright, let's do this guys.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Nice.
Cheers.
One cup yard of
So good.
Beautiful. Peanut and caramel. So good.
Wow, this is lovely.
That is it.
The best porridge.
My mouth burn up. Socks.
Just even blow it and blow.
So guys, this marks the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. You all mean the whole world to me. You guys did the best. If you're watching from Jamaica, let me know what you wish me to cook next time. And please don't forget to subscribe, give the video a like, leave a comment. Let me know what you think about today's video, and be sure to check out Cola Smith. Give yourself a big one.
That is it, people. You know what? Go on. Cola Smith TV. Check it out. Big up my Slickler Kitchen. Big up Papa's Climber Adventure. The Great Socks. You know what the thing come down?
Papi is here.
Papi.
That is it. One Papi Spear Fishing. Is it on YouTube? Please check it out.
Yeah. Climber.
Yeah, man. Climber Adventure. Just go check it out. Is it?
Yeah.
Take your time.
Conte.
Man, let's look at kitchen. People put there to them. I think no.
Yeah.
That is it.
Socks.
No, man, check out Socks and things. You know, Socks is that. 2 cup of porridge.
2 cup.
You can hold me for tonight.
Yes, that is it.
Well, Socks prepare for him to take away.
Yeah, that one have to go up. And hold me go up now, hold a fresh. Lean back and watch 2 TV and
Lean back.
enjoy myself.
Lean back. Lean back. Lean back. This is it. Wow. I want some. I want to have some. Have some.
Watch out now. You see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no.
Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we'll make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.